my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing so great. So today I'm preparing this Sapa Egusi soup. My son came back from school and said, "Mommy, my friends have been asking me, why is it that you only prepare food for the rich? Why don't you prepare something small that students can take? That I should try and prepare Sapa Egusi soup so that they'll know how to prepare low budget Egusi soup." So guys, today I'm in the kitchen now. I want to prepare this Sapa Egusi soup. I have 2 cups of Egusi there. Egusi, one is 600 naira per cup, and I have 2 cups of Egusi there, which is now 1,200. I'm going to be using only cow skin CANDA because most times students cannot afford to use meat to cook. I have the CANDA, it is 300 naira, and I have this smoked fish, the KPANLA smoked fish. That one costs 500 naira. I have crayfish. Crayfish is 100 naira. Then the periwinkle, which is optional for some of them, except you want to do big man own, you now buy Isam periwinkle. That is 200 naira. I have oil. Oil is 150. Then I have the ugu leaves. You can use any leaf of your choice, but the ugu here is 100 naira. Of course, you will have salt in your house, and you have a bouillon cube in your house. So everything on this table costs 2,600 naira. You will agree with me that this is Sapa Egusi. For those who don't have money, or for students, this is the kind of Egusi they'll be eating. So I'm going to be using the frying method today because at times might not even, if they are students, they might not have fridge to put it. So I'm going to be using the frying method so the Egusi soup will last longer for them. So guys, do this with me. First of all, I'll start by adding some palm oil in the pot. Allow it to heat up a bit before I add the onions because I'm going to be frying this egusi. I just allow the oil to be hot a bit. You can see the oil is hot now, so I'll add in the chopped onions. Fry for some time. So adding the blended egusi now. Some people call it melon, some call it egusi, but where I'm from here, we call it egusi. So it's already blended. So I'll just fry it. Try and stir so I can remove the lumps. So this is what we have now. So I'll add in the meat stock and the cooked cow skin or CANDA. Allow it to simmer a bit before I add in the other ingredients. Egusi soup burns easily when you are preparing it, so you have to be stirring it. But if you are using a non-stick pot, then you don't have any problem. But I'm sure students don't have a non-stick pot. So if you're a student and you are doing like this, you have to be turning the egusi. So at this point, I'll add some water. Depends on how thick you want your soup, then you add the quantity of water. So I'll add some crayfish. I didn't mention pepper earlier on, so I'll be adding some pepper. This is dry Cameroon pepper. You can even use fresh pepper. Then I'll add the bouillon cube. I'll allow it to simmer for some time before I add the other things. You have to cook the egusi for some time, like 5 minutes, so it will be well cooked. You don't want to come back the next day and see a swollen pot of sour egusi. From observation, egusi is the one soup that gets so bad in time. Any little thing, it goes bad. When you put your hand in your pot of soup, by the time you come back in the night, you have a full pot of egusi. I don't know why the soup goes bad so easily. So I like to cook for like 5 minutes. The egusi soup has started bubbling, so I'll add in periwinkle, and I'll add in the dry fish or smoked fish. Then I'll combine and allow to cook some more. This is Sapa Egusi soup and it's coming out well. Allow to cook for another 5 minutes so the fish can soak the sauce very well. Guys, see what we have here. So I'll be adding the ugu leaves. Now you can use any leaf of your choice. You can even mix ugu and the bitter leaf together. It gives another taste. Then I'll add some more crayfish. Then I'll add some salt. I'll combine again. Guys, see our Sapa Egusi soup is ready. And it turned out so well. If you're a student now, they just pour some more water so the soup lasts them for like 1 or 2 weeks. This is our Sapa Egusi soup. I don't want the leaf to be overcooked, so I'll test for salt now, then I'll turn off the heat. So yummy. So yummy. And you can see that the soup did not even take me so much time to prepare because I've already prepped everything I need to prepare this soup. So all in all, let me say like 5 to 10 minutes I prepared this Sapa Egusi soup. So guys, I'm done with this soup and I'm going to be taking it with gari, or no, students at times like taking apple, something that will keep them very, very well to some time. So this will go down with some eba, gari. So I'm done here, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, but please, if you have not hit that subscribe button, do that now. Give the video a thumbs up, keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks and bye bye.